Hey everyone, welcome back. It is that time of the month again. That's right, it's mystery tackle box time. I've had this sitting in the back seat of my truck for a couple days. It's time to rip it open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, doesn't say hashtag happy dance anymore. It says happy fishing. Changing things up. Mystery tackle box. Let's see what's in it. What in the world is going on with this thing? What is going on? Catch a fish using one of the baits in this box. Measure. Use the ruler to see if you have a keeper, and share it. Now you're supposed to use this if you catch something and you measure it on this and take a photo of it on here. Then I don't know, maybe stuff the fish in the box and mail it back to them. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on this month. Very confusing. All right. Here we go. This is a bait made by Bagley. It's called the Shallow Sunny B. Just a little crankbait there. Let's see if we can focus that in so you can see what the hell it is I'm talking about. There it is. Nice little crayfish colored crankbait. Can't go wrong with that. There's one. Let's see what else is in here. I got some advanced drop shot hooks made by Standout Hooks. Interesting looking hook. I've never seen ones like these. Kind of an odd design. A little picture on the back of what it looks like. It's got that big curve on it. That might work. We'll give that a shot. We'll give that a drop shot. And big bite baits. Let's see what these suckers look like. Oh yeah, check that out. Alright. Big bite baits. I said that already. Looks kind of like a little lizard. It's got these big paddles on each side here and a couple ribbon tail worms. Probably, I think that would work pretty good. It's a good color. Usually can't go wrong with that color. Maybe put it on a jig or just fish it with a Texas rig or something. Give that a try. What's this? This one's called the Tidal Shot Spoon. That's quite a large spoon there. I noticed they had the letters H-O-T in yellow so it would stand out, which spells hot, by the way. That's some crazy colors right there. It's like a bright neon orange. Big spoon in there. And you're supposed to use the spoon with the trailer, with the grub as a trailer. Yeah. Interesting little thing there. What do we got here? Smart baits. Color changing baits. What? I've never heard of that before. Well, let's open it up. See what this is all about. Looks a lot like a Senko. There it is. It's like some brownish color, maybe a little bit of green in it. And I don't know what they mean by changing colors. I guess it means it color changes everything, huh? Says it is activated by water temperature. They undergo multiple color changes and imitate live bleeding prey fish that will trigger fish to strike. Well, they better. I hope they do. Smell pretty good too. Of course, we got the little book. He's opened up his mystery tackle box too. There's a whole bunch of reading in there. Nice piece of literature. Put that right on the bookshelf. And let's see what was inside. That first one I showed you, the shallow Sunny Bee. Sunny Bee, that's cool. That's a $10 lure. The title shot spoon with the caution orange grubs. I don't know, safety orange. That's $7.82, not 83, but 82 cents. And smart. Yeah, the fancy color changing baits. Those are $2. No, those are $4. These ones here are $2. And then the red hook assortment, $1.70. So there you go. If you added that all up in your head, it's a certain amount. And it's probably more than what the cost is for the box every month. So, and the sticker. It says catch and release. It's not a bad sticker. I haven't really been impressed with the stickers so far, but that one's not too bad. So I think where's last month's? Right here. That's last month. I wasn't too impressed with that. I mean, where am I gonna stick this? I'm not gonna. I got a lot of tackle boxes, my truck. I'm not gonna put that anywhere. I think the best place to put this would be like if you took like a bookshelf, laid it on its side, and you stuck it right on the bottom and flip it back up. I think that's a good place for it, or underneath the table. But yeah, so that sticker's not bad. It's a good one. So that's it for this month. If you've used any of these, let me know how they work for you. Hopefully get out in the water here soon and do some bass fishing videos. So until next time, thanks for watching. I've got a place to put the sticker. And right there, the little mascot. There. I know he means well, but I've just seen enough of them. So there, that's the best place for that.